Okay, so let's have a look. So the blue paint, you'll see, it wasn't me having a funny moment. This was this is obviously the electricians marked out everything. So you can see where all the cables are going to go. We've got a couple of new switches, one here. We've got another one here. Again, just handy for where you're, because we'll end up replacing the kitchen one, or when you're coming out into the room out here. Again, it's just easy just being able to tap the wall. This one here will turn the lights on in for the kitchen, for the bathroom. We've got one here, saves you walking through to the entrance hall. Again, it's just easy to be able to turn it on from here if you're coming from this area. So it's just a couple of more switches just to make things a bit easier. We're going to have a TV socket there, but we're also going to have one in that room as well. These work out, they're 400 from the floor up. Your light switches are 110, a metre 10. What I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be ripping out all the old electrics prior to doing the chasing. It'll make things easier for me, and obviously all the old electrics are going to be redundant anyway. You can see where obviously it's marked the ceilings as well. Put one there because this is where your stove's going to go, your pellet burner or whatever. We can't obviously have it in that area because of the you've got your main socket board there, so it will be going here. Obviously the tube can then go outside the wall. So yeah, eventually that's where the pellet burner will go. Should you choose that, let's have a look upstairs. Socket here, which is quite handy, be able to turn upstairs on and off from down here. At the moment the switch is halfway up the stairs, so we'll make that a bit easier. You can see there's some more hardcore, all that will be going on Monday. Here we go again. Sockets marked out. This is the only area where we'll be going, where I'll be going through, down and through the floor. In the corner there. Again, mark the ceiling. We're getting all this floor up on Monday, hopefully. The bedside lights, they're 800 from the floor. Again, that's what the electrician recommended. In the bathroom, I think we've got the one plug there. Obviously, it needs to be new wiring going in for there. You've got your pendant, be up there, light switch. Rubbish. They'll all be going in the skip tomorrow. There's some more hardcore and stuff there. First new light socket's gone in. So yeah, I'm going to chase the walls in here and I'm going to take the floor up, and then that doesn't prevent me from, or the electrician from getting on. Tiles are resting on that piece of wood. And also, these beams, unfortunately, are worse than I thought, because, I don't know if you can see, but basically, this beam here, which goes just under that floor, is pretty much rotten. I don't know how much more weight that will take. And the one that's next to it, I hope was picking up some. I don't know if you can see, again there, it's all rotten. So I've got a feeling that that beam and this beam are going to have to come out. Again, I don't know if you can see just how much that's eating away, that one there. And this one, I mean. So obviously you can see the floor, and that's why all the floor here, I don't know if you can really sort of see, but that's why this floor is dipping. I mean, it's literally giving way. The thing is these tiles come all the way out to here, and then they go into there. So I'm going to have a word with the builder and see what he thinks. I mean, that beam at the moment, it runs from there. I can't see until I get this last bit out how far in it goes. but we might be looking at taking up this as well. I know it's not what you want to hear, but my plan for today is get the rest of the this floor up. So the cables in for this room for the electrics to be done. I'm going to get the rest of this floor up, and all our floors now up. Obviously got the electrics ready to go in there. Made a start in getting the electrics in this bit as well. We've got all the rubbish out. Let me show you where we're at. I'll show you the skip so you can see how much has gone on the skip. A fair bit come out. So today I'm downstairs, I'm marking out all the exact locations for the sockets and the main electric boxes. So I thought you'd appreciate just and just see how easy this plaster's coming off. And this will all have to be repaired, obviously, for painting and stuff. But this is brick. It's quite damp. Let's take you over here as well. Another one's going to be here. The good thing is all this needs to be scraped off before it's decorated, so sooner or later. Just a little one, keep you updated. A lot of the houses in Spain, one of the biggest problems, apart from damp, because obviously they don't put any damp cores in, but it's flaking of the paint. So what I'm going to do is when I come around to decorating, I will be putting on a product. It's almost like a water plastic, and it really seals the walls quite good. So I'll probably be putting that on. Well, I will be putting that on. Just showing you just how easy the old paint comes off. Just like it's almost like a thin course of plaster on this as well. This is just by the front door. The current electricity panels there. This is just me using a filler knife, and that's brick. Back to the brick there. Interesting colour, not as on the wall ones. So, you can see I'm nowhere am I forcing anything to come off. It's literally just scraping off. I don't know if you can remember this wall. It was about 5 foot or so up. There's about 1.5 foot of fairly fresh plaster. The reason being, if you go up a bit higher, again, that's why I would imagine they've done that, because, as I say, this was again. Let's see that. So that's why they've done that, to stop what was obviously a bit lower down, but they haven't taken it up. So again, just sort of showing you what's going on really. I say, like I said in my text, my aim is to get everything. You can see where the electrician has marked like a painted the blue where all the cables are going to be. So what I'm actually doing, obviously, I'm actually putting in the right height, so I know exactly where everything needs to be done at the right height. Doris, you can see electrics are gone. Here's your little pile. So all the electrics are out from upstairs, and one of the rooms downstairs, the room that comes in from the kitchen. So yeah, that's me for today, for the electrician. I said about the crumbling. I don't know if you can see that, but I think the mortar, where this is old, I think the mortar is like made up of like a straw and almost like a mud. I think that's what the crumbling was, more so than an actual brick itself. It's been a dusty old job, fair bit of making do. This wall was really thin, so even though I used my chasing machine, the brick just but I can make all that good, so that's fine. In here as well. So we'll get there.